Greetings and salutations. Today we're going to do like a mixture of a vampire and monster high look. Can you believe I got these at Dollar Tree? I mean, look at these. They're not even that bad looking. So typically when I do my makeup, I use a hand mirror because it's a lot easier and you can see more detail. Instead of using primer, I use coconut oil to help soothe my skin. Off topic, when you have nails, don't like reach in like you usually do with like no nails. You reach in like this, like you're flicking a fly or something like that. These are really painful to put in. I use tinted moisturizer just because it's a lot lighter than concealer. So right now I'm just showing like the process of like how I do my makeup, kind of in a way. Eyebrow time! When you use the eyebrow flick, make sure it's like a light flick so that it looks a little more natural. So if you make it a little too harsh, you can always use the like spoolie thingy from the other brow pen and just brush it out so it looks more natural. White eyeliner, of course. I love this. So when you do eyeliner, like just imagine a line. That's what I do, like imagine where you want it to go and slowly do motions like I'm doing here. And then same thing to the other side. Imagine the line and almost 100% of the time it's gonna come out pretty much even or looking real good. So if you have hooded eyes, make a dot where the crease is to connect that line to the edge. And since my hooded eyes aren't even, like one side has an extra flap, it's gonna look a little thinner, but not that much thinner. I tried. Repeat on the other side. Ooh, okay, Dollar Tree. I I'm really surprised by the quality of these. These are from Sephora. I wanted to do that sharp Cupid's bow look to make it pop. And then I blended out the bottom to give that like kind of been worn look. I used the brown one because it kind of helped complement my skin tone. So I chose to do only 2 outfits just because I thought I'd want to fit the aesthetic. You can do anything that you would want. Like if you have different ideas, then you can do that. You can also add accessories like a plushie or like a cute little bag. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.